Everybody, hey everybody, guess what, we got a cop watch. It's right down the road here, if I can get to it in time. I just got home. And I'm keeping my phone in vertical because for some reason when I put it the other way it wants to go upside down. So it's pissing me off. So we're gonna go see if we can catch this cop watch. It's a fucking cop pulled the guy on the side of the fucking road right near the intersection. So we're gonna go and we're gonna try to see if we can catch up here and do some cop watching. See how it goes. It's like fucking up in the upper 80s. And I couldn't get my walker down. Then forgot to put it in my car, otherwise I'd be pulling my walker out and using my walker. So let's hope my leg don't give out. Let's see how they handle walking with our First Amendment. I should be okay. I got a cigarette I'm smoking too, so yeah, real smart. Smoke a cigarette on hot days. I want to see if he has somebody else pull up with him. All I seen was one cop car there behind the person he pulled over. The second one will probably... Ooh! Look at that, guys! Ooh, let me see if I can get him. That was neat. Where is he? Me and human nature. Always. Yeah, human nature. It's a bird. Almost looked like a pelican, but it wasn't. He's hiding in the tree here. I don't know where he went. He's on the ground. Shoot. That was pretty cool. I haven't seen one of those in a while. Those kind of birds. Okay. Back to the mission. Let's see if we can get over here. I think that's the car that got pulled over. I'll see in a minute because I can see like right up here that they're still there. Cops in my truck. They don't like me, they know I have a cop watch. Sorry if my hand's covering the front of it. But let's see. Here we gotta walk down there. Let's see if we can get to it. There's a Peace Park where I think he's parked. I can see him. It's hot. It's like up in the 80s here. I usually go down through there. There's a path, but you can't see it from the path. Trees are growing over. So, we're gonna walk down here real quick. And I'll zoom it in. We up to no good. I knew they were going to do speed traps eventually. See if we can make it down here in time. Probably not. Trying to make it down here without my leg giving out in my back. People. I'm going to have to stand on the hill so I don't get hit by any cars, but that's fine. I'll be mad if I get down here and they're not there. Or that'll piss me off. And we're at the intersection now. And he took off. It seems like when they see my fucking truck, they take off quick. They know I fucking cop watch. So the cop went and turned around, probably right here, right there at that entrance over there, and came back over. Nice. Now I gotta go across the street and walk the opposite way, which I'll do when the kind of traffic is clear. That way this cop can't say, oh, you're doing it wrong. Damn it. Well, I tried to have a cop watch for you all, but he was too quick. He just pulled him over too. And when I put my finger up at him, he didn't like that too much. And he did a quickie. Well, we're going to go across here. So we're obeying the law with walking against traffic. I'm sorry, guys. Tried to have a fucking cop watch for you, and didn't happen. Hopefully I caught that bird on the video. Hopefully I caught that bird for you. He must have been spot checking for seatbelt. That's the only time. Yeah, that pulled quick of a stop. Fucking asshole. But they pretty much know I do cop watch in my vehicle. And the cops here don't like my husband's fire company, Grandpa Fire Company. They have a fit. Hold on a minute, guys. Okay. Whew, it's hot. But it gets me out in the sun here a little bit. Get some of that vitamin D and E. That we need to get. I can't walk on these stones. Where's my hip out of my leg? Yeah. But, yeah. Only time they do that quick of a stop if they're doing a seatbelt check over here. And that's the way it looked like. Because he just pulled him over. So I went to park my car. And quick get up here so I could film it. Because, you know, like being... They don't like knowing that somebody has a camera around here. I swear. Oh my God, people just see the sweat. It's hot. It is hot. We get the humidity like crazy. I did about a, what, 4 blocks from that trailer corner all the way to the end there. That's about 4 or 5 blocks one way. Okay guys, I gotta stop here near a stream up here. See, stream right there. Creek. And believe it or not, this creek, when it gets full, it floods over this, it floods over the road. Alright, I'm gonna go on the other side of the road. Yeah, I'm jaywalking, big deal. I'm being lazy, I don't feel like crossing up there. Oh, we have an undercover, I think, coming up through. Four-way's on. Not undercover. Got your four-ways on. All right. Cross over here on the other side. And she's doing mail. There's our mail lady over there. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yep, there's our mail lady. And she's not in our mail truck today. See, she's not in her mail truck, she's in her personal vehicle. So, it has no tag on it saying US mail. They're supposed to use the mail, so it's not their personal vehicle. So, see, there's another thing I wanted to tape. But anywho, I got one thing in showing that we have mail carriers around here that don't use what they're supposed to use. They use their personal vehicles. Alright guys, I'm about home. I'm just right here. So, love and hugs. Till the next one.